Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I'm Leena Francis and this is the place where we talk all things coding, tech and career tips for developers just like you. Today we are diving into something super important for freshers, creating a GitHub profile. And guess what? I'm going to show you the top 5 mistakes that freshers often make when setting up their GitHub profiles and how you can avoid them to make sure you stand out. Mistake number 1, skipping the bio or writing something like I am a developer. Your GitHub profile is a place to showcase who you are and what you're passionate about. Let's be real. If you just say developer, that doesn't tell anyone anything. Write a bio that highlights what languages you are learning, what type of projects you're working on, and maybe a fun fact about yourself. That is your chance to show off your personality and interests. See, now it's personal, informative, and it tells the world what you're looking at. Mistake number 2, using an unprofessional or random image for your profile picture. Sure, memes and cartoons are fun, but when you are trying to make a great first impression as a developer, your GitHub profile picture matters. Think of your GitHub profile as a part of your professional portfolio. Choose a clear, friendly headshot or a professional looking avatar. This helps recruiters and other developers take you seriously. It doesn't have to be a formal suit and a tie photo, but something that's clear and represents you well in a professional context. Mistake 3, not adding any projects, or worse, leaving your repositories empty. A GitHub profile with no code is like a resume with no experience. You can't show your skills if there's nothing to show. Start by uploading any projects you have worked on, even if it's something small like a basic calculator or a to-do app list. It doesn't matter if the project isn't perfect. What matters is showing your progress and the fact that you're coding. Remember, the more you upload and contribute, the more you show that you're actively learning and building. And that's exactly what recruiters want to see. Mistake number 4, using vague commit messages like update or fix. Come on, freshers' commit messages are important. They are a way for others or your future self to understand the changes you have made in your code. Good commit messages are specific, clear, and helpful. Instead of update, write something like added functionality to user login or fixed bug in the shopping cart feature. This way, anyone reviewing your code can easily see what you have done. Clear commit messages make you look like a professional and it helps you build a habit of writing clean, understandable code. Mistake number 5, ignoring open source contribution. GitHub isn't just about storing your own code, it's also about collaborating with others and contributing to the open source projects. Contributing to open source project is a great way to practice, learn from others, and build your coding reputation. Plus, it looks fantastic on your GitHub profile and can even help you get noticed by potential employers. Look for beginner-friendly, open source projects or issue labeled good first issue. Contributing to these projects not only improve your skills but also shows that you are actively involved in the coding community. There you have it, the 5 biggest mistakes freshers make when creating their GitHub profiles and how you can avoid them. By following these tips, you will have a profile that stands out to employers and helps you grow as a developer. Catch you in the next video. Keep coding, keep learning, and let's make that GitHub profile shine. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more coding advice, career tips, and everything you need to succeed in the tech world. And hey, drop your GitHub profiles in the comments below. I would love to check out your projects.